Jai Swaminarayan students, today we will be doing part 2 of lesson number 3, that is understanding Windows 7. In the last class we learnt about operating system and some primary features of Windows 7. Let us just revise it once. Operating system. What are operating systems? An operating system, it is a set of programs that controls and manages all the tasks, all the activities in a computer. Some primary features of Windows 7 are: it provides start menu, it contains snipping tool. Snipping tool, it is an application, it is used to capture image, even to edit and crop images. Then it comes with enabled search tool, where you can search any files or folders which are already saved on your computer. Then it allows many users to work on numerous programs at the same time. That means, for example, you can listen to songs as well as you can play games. You can do both the work together at the same time on a computer. That means it allows many users, many people to work on numerous programs and even work on different kinds of allow different kinds of activities to be performed on the computer. And it is user friendly. User friendly means it is easy to understand, it is easy to use, right? Now today we will start with desktop and icons. As you can see on the screen, this whole screen, yet when we switch on a computer system, the operating system, that is Windows 7, will get loaded, and the very first screen that appears on the system is called the desktop. See here, this whole screen is called your desktop, and you can see all the small objects on the left side with some labels underneath. These are called icons. So this whole background, the whole screen, the first screen is called the desktop, and all the small boxes, small images with the names beneath it are called the icons, right? When any of the icons are clicked, a specific program opens, right? For example, if I click on this, see, this program will open. Then if I click on this PC, the program will open, right? So whenever I click on any of these small images called icons, the specific program, it opens, right? We have some common icons on desktop, like this PC, right? You can say this computer image on it. These are called the common icons on the desktop. And here the horizontal line which you are able to see on the bottom of the screen, this horizontal line, whole box is called your taskbar, right? Now you can see this date and time on right side. So this date and time, it is also provided on the taskbar on the right side. Left side, first option, that is called your start button, right? Here, smart button. Even many other programs you can put it on your desktop. Here, see, all the programs which you can put it on your desktop, it is also allowed by the taskbar, right? Then we have some few shortcut programs, right? What are shortcut programs? See here, you can see this small arrow, right? See, on here you don't have any small arrow, but here you have small arrow. So wherever you have this small arrows on the icons, this kind of icons are called shortcut, right? Then we have this computer icon on the desktop. As soon as I click on this, see, this program will open, and here in this window, all the files and folders which are present on your computer are displayed over here. Understood? So that's all for today, children. We'll continue with other topics in the next class. Thank you.